You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this dish, a type of Latin beef stew, including Mexican. If you want to learn more Mexican food names, stay tuned. Pronounced as, in Spanish, carne, meaning meat, carne guisada, guisada, carne guisada. If you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, in English you can say it as carne guisada. It's not gui, just guisada. Carne guisada, English pronunciation, or from Spanish pronunciation, carne guisada. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.